Hello everyone, myself is Bandari. Today we are going to see one program in a C language which check whether the entered number is Armstrong number or not. Now let's start. Firstly, what do you mean by the Armstrong number? It is a number which is equal to sum of cube of its individual digits. For example, if the entered number is 153, then the cube of the individual digit of this and their addition, if this addition and original number is equal, then that number is called as an Armstrong. Here it is 153 number is there. So 1's cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube is equal to 153. That is the original number 153 and its cube of the individual digit and its addition is also 153. So this 153 number is called as an Armstrong number. So when we are writing the C program to check this number is Armstrong or not, what logic we required is that first of all we have to separate out each and the every digit, and then we have to make the cube of that, and third stage is that we are going to add the individual cube, and that addition and original number we are going to be cross check. For checking we will be required the if else, and in a previous programs we know that how the individual digit is going to be separated from the number. So for separating the individual digit we required the modulus or percentage operator. If I am going to divide and take the remainder, then digit is going to be separated, and to form the new number again we should have to use only division operator. Let's see, this is the program. So at the start I have included the header files. Within the main, the first part is nothing but a declaration of the variables. Then with the help of printf function I taken out the number from the end user. For taking input, use the scanf function as the number is stored into the variable n, and n is data type is integer. So here the percentage d double quotes complete and n, this is the used in a scanf function. Now here the next line is nothing but x is equal to n. In future we should have to be cross check the original number and the additional number. So for the safer side I just copied down this n number into one another variable x. So the original number is now present in a variable n and the variable x also. Then the sum is initialized towards the 0. I am trying to solve this problem with the help of a while loop. So within a while loop I have used the keyword as the while. Now what is the condition? We should have to separate down each and every digit, and then that digit is going to be added. So for that we should have to put down the condition that